Is that a cat girl?
I got a brand new bag. My eyes are red. About to put another sucker MC to bed. If you don't stop smacking, I'm gonna smack you silly.
Don't care, still don't care. Okay, maybe I care a little. Tell me if this is Riz, alright. I'm just saying, it would be great if you could Goku to the prom with me. Inside. Man, I guess you can say this monster is pretty heart-taking.
Yo, shut up, bro.
Where? Peter? Peter Griffin! Wake up! Wake up, Peter!
Peter? Peter, speak to me.
Hi.
Punch him so hard he explodes!
Yo! Dude, what the fuck? What was that? What the fuck was that there?
I had a little off. Yeah, I had to cut a pill off. Yeah, but if we be real though.
This isn't the game.
Hey! No! Stop! Just calm down! Don't do it, Gohan!
Wait! I've played these games before! I said I've played these games